How to get your customers to book more rides. Increasing repeat bookings with push notifications and discounts. Hello, and welcome to OnD's Business Recipes. Today, we'll look into a common problem of taxi and ride-hailing companies. Customers who ride with you once or twice and then seem to forget about the app. Sometimes customers like this just need a little push to come back and start booking again. So we developed a step-by-step recipe for winning back inactive or low-frequency riders with a simple reactivation campaign. A discount coupon combined with a targeted push notification. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a coupon program in MyHub, build a targeted audience in Firebase, send a push notification campaign in Firebase. Ready? Let's begin. Step 1. Create the coupon program in MyHub. First, let's create the coupon that we'll send to customers. In this example, we'll create a strong reactivation offer, 5 free rides with a 100% discount. This will give inactive customers a good reason to open the app again and book more rides. In your MyHub dashboard, go to Promotions, Coupon Programs. Click Create Coupon Program. Give the program a clear, unambiguous name so it's easy to recognize later. Under Discount Type, choose Dynamic %. For this campaign, there's no need to limit the coupon to a specific service type, so leave this setting off. Under Orders per Coupon, set the number to 5. This means each customer who activates the coupon can use it for 5 rides. Let's leave the program expiration at the default value of 1 month. For this type of campaign, this time frame works well. Then click Next to move to the coupon settings. And let's define the coupon itself. Set coupon discount to 100%. Since the goal is to offer free rides, we don't need a partial discount here. Set coupon lifetime to 30 days so that it matches the program expiration time. Click Create. And finally, let's specify how the coupon code will be distributed to the customers. Select Shared Code. This means one code can be used by many different customers. In our example, one shared code can be used by up to 100 customers. Name the shared code something short and easy to type. For example, 5 rides free. Then click Add. That's it. Your coupon program is now live. You now have one shared coupon code that can be sent to multiple customers. Each customer who redeems it will get 5 rides with a 100% discount. Now that the coupon is ready, let's find the customers who should receive it. For that, we'll move to Firebase. Step 2. Build the campaign audience in Firebase. With the coupon code ready, the next step is to get it in front of the right people. For this campaign, we want to target customers who are either inactive or who have booked a ride only once or twice. This is where Firebase will help us. Go to firebase.google.com and sign in with the Google account you provided to the OnD team for Firebase access. Once you're logged in, click Go to Console in the top right corner. You'll see your Firebase project. Usually, that will be the project connected to your passenger app. Click on the project to open the dashboard. Great! Now we're ready to continue with setting up the campaign. First, let's create the appropriate audience for it. In Firebase, go to Audiences. You can usually find this tab in your project shortcuts. If it's not there, open it under Analytics. Click New Audience. You'll see suggested audience templates, such as 7-day inactive users. This is a good starting point, but for this campaign, we want a wider time frame. Let's use this suggested audience as a template and make a few adjustments to make it work for us. First, let's change the audience name, like this. Click Modify Conditions, and change the period from 7 days to 30 days. This audience is based on the event Session Start, which shows when a customer opens the app. Here, we're looking for users who had 0 sessions in the last 30 days. Click Apply, then Save. Now you have an audience of customers who haven't opened the app in 30 days. Next, let's create another useful audience for this campaign. Customers who have booked just a few rides in this time frame. These customers are warm leads. They already know your service, so a good offer can help bring them back. Click New Audience. Then choose Create a Custom Audience. Name the audience clearly. For example, 1 to 2 bookings within 30 days. Add a condition based on the event Booking Confirmed. Now let's add the parameter Event Count. To target customers with exactly 1 or 2 bookings in the last 30 days, we'll create 2 conditions. First condition, event count equals 1, true in the most recent period of 30 days. Click Apply. As you can see, we're joining the conditions with OR. Now, the second condition, event count equals 2 in the same time period. Click Apply. Click Save. Firebase and Google Analytics audiences do not use historical data. When you create a new audience, it starts from 0, only collecting users from that moment forward. It will not automatically include customers who match the same conditions in the past. So if you want to run reactivation campaigns regularly, it's better to create these audiences early. The sooner you create them, the sooner they'll become useful for targeting. Step 3. Create the push notification campaign. Now that the audiences are ready, let's create the push notification. Go to Messaging. You can find it in Project Shortcuts or in Product Categories under DevOps and Engagement. Click New Campaign, then choose Notifications. Make sure you choose Notifications, not in-app messaging. Otherwise, inactive users who don't open the app may never see your message. Now write the message your customers will receive. Add an engaging title. For example, get 5 rides free with us. Then write the notification text using the coupon code. For example, open the promo tab and activate the code 5 rides free. You can also add an image using a link, but this is optional. For most push notification campaigns, a short and clear message works best. Add an internal notification name. For example, test for 1 to 2 bookings. Don't worry, the customer will not see this name. It's only for your own campaign tracking. Click Next. Notification created. Now let's choose who should receive it. Under Target, select your passenger app. For example, Passenger Android. Add a condition. User audience includes at least one of. Select your audience. As you recall, earlier we created 2 possible audiences for this campaign. For this example, let's continue with the second audience, 1 to 2 bookings within 30 days. If you want to target a wider group in the future, it's possible to select more than one audience under this setting. Then click Target Another App and repeat the same setup for your Passenger iOS app. Review the estimated number of recipients. If you created the audience recently, the number may look very low. But remember, the audience starts from 0 and fills up over time. Click Next. Now we'll choose when to send out the notification. You can send it immediately, schedule it for a specific date and time, or set recurring notifications. In this example, let's set it to repeat once a week, on Thursdays. Click Next. For tracking purposes, choose a key event. In this case, let's select Booking Confirmed so you can see whether the campaign helped generate new bookings. Click Review. We've come to the key moment. Before publishing, review everything. When everything is ready, click Publish. After the campaign runs, Firebase will show you the campaign statistics, including how many notifications were sent, how many were opened, and how many key events happened. In our case, confirmed bookings. What your customers will see. Now, let's check how this will look on the customer side of things. After receiving the push notification, the customer opens the app. They open the side menu, tap Promo, go to Your Coupons, and then tap Enter Promo Code, where they can type in the code from the push notification. As the customer needs to type it in manually, the coupon code should be short and easy to read. In our example, the code is 5 rides free. The customer taps Activate, and a confirmation pop-up appears, showing that the code is active. The customer can also read the details. They have a 100% discount for 5 orders with your taxi company. And that's it. The coupon is now added to their account, and they are ready to book their next rides. Now you know how to create a discount coupon campaign and motivate the right audience to boost your bookings. Please share your feedback about this recipe when you try it, and stay tuned for more.